owners, are you ready to supercharge your online presence and drive unparalleled growth for your venture? If so, buckle up because I am here at Softtrix to help you set on a journey through the dynamic world of keyword research with Google Trends as your trusty guide. In today's digital age, the right keywords can make all the difference in attracting customers to your business. Whether you're aiming to boost website traffic, enhance brand visibility, or increase conversions, keyword research forms the cornerstone of any successful online strategy. That said, if you fail to identify the right keywords used in industry-specific online queries, you will fail miserably at achieving the desired results. I understand you don't want it to happen. So, let me tell you how you can stop it from happening. One word, that is research. Focused keyword research is the key. So, how do you do that? Keyword research can be a cakewalk with the right tool. That's precisely why you need Google Trends. Let me explain what Google Trends is and how it can help you do focused keyword research. Let's start by understanding what is Google Trends. Google Trends is a free tool that gathers data from Google searches, enabling users to compare the occurrence of specific search terms across different keywords, locations, and more. Initially designed to analyze online user interest in various topics, Google Trends has evolved into a comprehensive data utilization tool, incorporating real-time event reactions and trending stories. Users can narrow down industry-specific keyword occurrences by selecting a specific time frame, such as the past 7 days or the previous year to the present. Now, let's jump into discussing why should you use Google Trends. Google Trends simplifies keyword research by providing a hassle-free analysis of search term popularity. This free tool allows users to track search behavior, validate volumes, and utilize historical data to gauge topic popularity. With a user-friendly interface, Google Trends provides a graph ranging from 0 to 100, where 0 signifies low search volume and 100 denotes peak popularity. This intuitive approach streamlines keyword research, making it more accessible and efficient than ever before. Now, let's come to the most awaited part: how to use Google Trends for keyword research. Number 1 is visit Google Trends. Go to the Google Trends website by typing Google Trends into your browser search bar or directly visiting trends.google.com. Number 2 is select location. Once on the Google Trends homepage, navigate to the top right corner where you'll see an option to select a location. Click on it to choose a specific country, region, or worldwide view. This selection allows you to tailor the results to your target audience's location. Remember, you can always change this later if needed. Number 3, enter keyword. In the search bar provided on the home page, enter the keyword or phrase you want to research. For example, if you are interested in trends related to search engine optimization, SEO, type SEO into the search bar and press enter. Number 4, generate graph. After entering your keyword, Google Trends will generate a graph displaying the interest in that keyword over time. The graph visually represents the popularity of the keyword with time plotted on the horizontal axis and interest level on the vertical axis. Number 5, explore the tabs. Google Trends offers 4 tabs to explore different aspects of the keyword's popularity. Location tab. This tab shows the geographic distribution of keyword usage. You can select worldwide to see the global trends to choose specific countries or regions. Time frame tab. Time frame tab allows you to select the time range for keyword frequency, ranging from the past hour to 2004 to the present. Adjusting the time frames help analyze trends over specific periods. Category tab. Choose a relevant category to filter the keyword data. This categorization helps in understanding the context and relevance of the keyword within specific industries or topics. Channel tab. Select a channel to analyze the keyword frequency, such as web search, image search, news search, or YouTube search. Each channel provides insights into how users are searching for the keywords across different platforms. Number 6 is modify graph. You can modify the graph by adjusting the time frame and location settings. As you make changes, the graph will update accordingly to reflect the new parameters you've set. This flexibility allows for a more customized analysis of the keyword's trends. Number 7. Interest by region. Scroll down below the graph to find the Interest by Region report. This section provides a list of countries or regions where the keyword is popular, along with scores ranging from 0 to 100 based on the keyword popularity. It helps identify geographic areas where the keyword has the highest level of interest. Number 8. Explore regions. Within the Interest by Region report, you can further explore regional data by clicking on Region at the top right corner and selecting the city. This option allows you to view city-wise reports, providing insights into how the keyword is trending in specific urban areas. Each location change offers unique data for analysis. Number 9. Related topics and queries. Towards the bottom of the page, you will find related topics and related queries section. These areas offer additional suggestions and insights based on your initial keyword research. Exploring related topics and queries can help uncover related trends and interest within your niche or industry. Number 10. Breakout queries. Click on Rising and select Top to access the Breakout Queries section. Here you will find the top trending topics and queries for the selected time frame. This section highlights emerging trends and popular search queries related to your keyword, providing valuable insights for content creation and marketing strategies. Now let's compare keyword trends. Start by scrolling to the top of the page and click Compare. Add the term, for example, link building, and press enter. You'll see a graph with two colors representing each keyword. Scroll down for region-wise reports. You can compare more terms using the compare option for a comprehensive analysis. Now that you're familiar with how Google Trends work, let's explore the ways the tool can bolster effective keyword research. First comes keyword search volume. Google Trends allows you to gauge the search volume of a keyword over time. By identifying keywords with high search volume, you can seamlessly integrate them into your content, enhancing your website's chances of ranking higher in search engine results. Next comes seasonal trends. Utilizing Google Trends, you can identify seasonal keywords relevant to your products or services. For instance, while hats may have a consistent search volume, Christmas hats experience spikes only during the holiday season. Leveraging these seasonal trends can inform your promotional campaigns and boost revenue. Next is keyword popularity phase. Google Trends aids in understanding the popularity life cycle of keywords. By tracking keyword performance over time, you can discern whether a keyword maintains sustained interest or experiences fluctuations, allowing you to strategize accordingly. Next is unicorn keywords. Beware of unicorn keywords, those with seemingly high volume but low impact. Google Trends help filter out such keywords, preventing their inclusion in your content and optimizing your SEO efforts. Targeting location-based searches is essential for lead generation. Google Trends assist in identifying keywords performing well in specific locations, enabling you to tailor your content accordingly. Then is trending topics. Stay updated of the latest SEO trends with Google Trends Trending Searches tab. By identifying popular search queries, you can create engaging content that resonates with your audience. Next is Google Trends predictions. Anticipate future trends by leveraging Google Trends predictive capabilities. By analyzing existing data, you can identify relevant keywords and devise strategies to enhance website traffic and outperform your competitors. Last but not the least is video SEO. With 86% of businesses using videos for marketing, it's evident that video content is crucial for reaching the target audiences. Consequently, optimizing videos for top-ranking keywords becomes a necessity. Notably, video search keywords may differ from web search terms. Google Trends provides a solution by revealing trending user queries and video-specific keywords by entering a keyword and switching to YouTube search. Marketers gain insights into popular topics, informing effective video optimization strategies for improved search engine rankings and visibility. As we wrap up, it's clear that Google Trends is a game changer for effective keyword research. By tapping into search volume dynamics, seasonal trends, and predictive analytics, you can optimize your content strategy for maximum impact. Whether targeting local markets or optimizing video content, Google Trends equips you with the tools to stay ahead in the ever-evolving digital landscape. Hope you've enjoyed the insights. Drop a like, share your thoughts, and hit subscribe for more expert tips. Thanks for tuning in.